Hey guys, dito tayo ngayon sa The Pearl guys, sa Marina. Papasyal ko kayo guys, pero madali lang to guys. Nakapasyal tayo kasi nakakalibre tayo ngayon. Walking distance lang kasi to guys sa trabaho ko, kaya medyo sinaglitan ko lang. Ito yung Marina dito guys, sa Puerto Arabia. Guys, so may kasama ako ngayon guys, si Skinny, isa siyang Kenyan.
Mr. Ronald.
Katulad ko rin yan guys, nangarap din yan.
Welcome to Marina. Welcome to Marina.
Katulad din natin yan guys, nangarap na magkaahon din, kaya na-try niya lang din yan. Pero guys, iikot tayo.
But more so as a person, from understanding myself more, from understanding a good day, a bad day, what
Guys, ano guys, tulungan ng mga mayayaman guys. Gawa nila ito paradahan guys. Ikot tayo dito guys. Dito guys, ano siya guys, tahimik pa to ngayon kasi medyo maaga pa, kasi maya maya pagdating ng mga 8 o'clock hanggang madaling araw na yun guys, sobrang dami na namamasyal dito guys, kaya medyo tahimik pa yan ngayon. Alas 6 pa lang dito guys, ng hapon. Hello guys.
Me with
Can you see guys? Say hi to my
Hi.
subscriber,
What's up,
followers.
guys?
What's up, man?
We're chilling in Doha.
He's a Kenyan man,
From Kenya.
but he's a good man.
I'm a good man, always a good man and a humble man.
Yeah.
Ronald is my big friend.
He decided to walk with me, and also he want to start vlogging also. She have also dreams for her life and for her family.
So soon, my channel also is coming.
Yeah.
New vlog, hot vlog.
When her channel come, just you also subscribe.
Subscribe to my YouTube
Yeah.
channel. Thank you.
Okay na guys, dito muna kami guys.